get ready to go because I'm sure you'd like to get the overall today as well.
Thank you, and have fun race. Congratulate James on a great season.